Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back like usual with a new website and new video. The website is called EasyShift. So EasyShift is a mobile app that allows users to earn money by completing short tasks and providing feedback on various retail related activities. So to get started with EasyShift, simply head on over to EasyShift or easyshift.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer, and this is the result that I got after my search on Google. Okay, I have here the official sites, Easy Shift. I have some similar sites and their page on Facebook and some videos on YouTube. So I need the first one. That means the official site, Easy Shift stuff, tutoring made easy. Let's click on this one. And also the app provides opportunities for users to perform tasks such as checking prices, verifying promotion, taking photo of products or displays on, and providing general observation about specific stores or location. And we have here all the information, and you can find it on the home page. And we have here some key features for the easy shifts. Okay, we will come back to all this information later after I show you how to create an account and how to get started with this website or mobile app. Okay, first let's log in from this one here. Okay, this is for the persons who already have an account or on EasyShift. You need just to write your username, password, and then login. If you are for the first time in this website, you need to click on become or book a demo. And answer for some questions over here. You need to select country. And the time zone region. And continue. You need to write the full name here. And our email. Then our company name. And then you need to write your mobile phone number here. And the certain size of our team, we need to select how many. One. Okay, let's choose just the first one. And we need to answer this question that how do you currently schedule your team, paper, spreadsheet, online tool, or others. Okay, let's just choose this one. Okay, paper, not others, and done. So we create the account successfully, and we need to complete, I think, this easy 3-step process. Step 1, we learn how your system works and our team recreate it inside of EasyShifts for you. All we need is your current schedule and provide restore. Okay. And you will do someone like this for you. It's like the curriculum video. And you can read about this website here. Okay, their story, this testimonials, and this help here if you have any issue or problem or question, because this website is also present to you the support in the community. EasyShift provide customer support to assist users with any issue or inquiries they may have. The app may also have a community or forum where users can interact and share types and discuss their experience. And for the plans and person, let's click on it to check it out and see what it contains. And let me tell you that this website is presented with the rating and the bonus. EasyShift may implement a rating system to evaluate the quality and the reliability of user task submissions. A higher rated user may have access to more tasks or receive additional bonuses. And we have the plans and person here. And like you see with me here, we have different plans. We need just to sign up and the one that we want with different price per user. Okay, we have $1 or at least $2 per user, and we have different prices with different services. We need just to sign up to use the plan and the person, and we need to complete the following informations here if you want to sign up in some plan from these. We have the integrate, we have the enterprise. To request the other information for sign up in some plan from this, you need to write your first name, last name, email address, phone, company name, the job title, and how the currency scheduled staff. Then this one you need just to select an answer and the numbers of employers, then the commands and question if you have one. Then you need to protect by captcha over here. That means you need to confirm that you're not a robot, and then you will just submit and choose a plan from this and sign up on it to use it. So this is all what I can tell you today about this website. Please, if you understand me, subscribe to see more videos like these and follow for more. So like usual, my guys, bye bye excuse me, bye bye to the next video and next websites.